Hi, I'm Eddie Paul from Eddie Paul's Tool Talk, and we're doing another tool tip on measuring. The last one did so well on tape measures that I thought it expanded a little bit and go through some different issues that people have with measuring. Now this is a reflector we made for a car that we're building, a Duesenberg. They're large headlights, and we vacuum formed this reflector. It's really be difficult to make out of metal. One of the problems we have to mount some screws around here equally spaced. So as I mentioned before, tape measures are a really good way to measure, but there's one problem with them, is it's a little hard to measure on a curve, and when you bend them, they buckle, and they don't give you exact dimensions, and you have to go around to the side, same spacing. So what I've come up with is, my wife uses this for making clothes, or when she used to make clothes. It's a fabric tape measure you can get at most fabric stores, and you can pull it onto a curve, and it makes it really nice to mark. You go 4 inches out from here, measure from some point there, then you can measure out this way. There's another trick I found, which is really simple. Just take masking tape. It's got to be something that can't stretch. Masking tape doesn't stretch. Stick it on the surface, mark a little point here where you're measuring from, and then you measure down to where you want to put the rivet hole, for instance, and you mark it on the plastic. You peel the tape up, you put it over here, line it up with the point there, bring it down. You can put the mark there. You can even punch a hole in it if you want. You move it over to here, do the same thing. You can wrap tape around. So it's kind of neat because you could use tape as a tape measure and get some pretty accurate dimensions on odd shapes or forms. So anyway, that's a tool tip of the day from Eddie Paul. Hope you'll look forward to the next one.